This is a pretty shitty view of the lake from 93, Lake Mead. Alright, this is another view of the lake. Pretty straight on from the 93. You can see it in the distance. Alright, this is Lake Mead from one of the visiting centers. Hoover Dam is over in this direction, I believe. This is the rest of the lake. The white line around the edges, that's where the water used to be until the people from Vegas took all the water out of it. But yeah. Alright, I'm on top of the Hoover Dam. There it is, right here. That's actually a pretty long fucking way down. Yeah. I think they said it's like 700 feet or some shit. This is something really cool. Like, right there on that tower, it says Nevada time. And then over here on this tower, it's Arizona time. Yep, we're right on the border. Ain't that some shit? Alright, I'm on the other side of the dam. This is actually the Lake Mead side. The other video was the Colorado River side. There's those white rings from the other video. That's how much the water has dropped over the past years. And there's some boats out there. Maybe you can see them. But, yeah. It's pretty cool stuff. Okay, I'm back on the Colorado River side of the dam. Something I want to point out. Those two structures right there. That's going to be the new suspension bridge that goes across Colorado River, so you don't have to go across the dam. It's supposed to save time. It's I believe it's going to be 2 lanes in both directions, as the road right now is 1 lane in each direction. So we'll see how that goes. I guess one of the cranes fell down and set the guys back like 6 months. So, yep, there it is.